Hello, this is Teresa with Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. I am so excited to be back for the sneak peek for day 2 of the October box of the month. I know you see a scoreboard, right? Well, I got to choose what I wanted to reveal today, and so I chose this stamp set called Deck the Halls. So this is a gorgeous stamp set. So let me go over what it's got on it. It has a little candle in a little jar, kind of primitive, I kind of think. Then it has a Christmas tree in a little stand, a cup of coffee, a sprig of, it could be mistletoe, a sentiment stamp that says Deck the Halls, a sentiment stamp that says Coffee and Cuddles, a sentiment stamp that says Merry Christmas, and then you have a holly leaf and some berries. Then you have a stocking with a bunch of leaves and branches sticking out of it. Great stocking. Then a present, a little wooden sign that says Merry Christmas, a leaf sprig, and then a hanging heart. Very, very kind of primitive looking, and it goes perfect with the sparkling wishes. So if you missed yesterday's sneak peek of day 1, I will have it linked in the description box down below. You need to watch Jamie. She showed you all the papers in the sparkling wishes and then the ephemera, and she made 2 absolute gorgeous cards. Well, I made 2 cards, and my cards kind of took on a mind of their own. I had a frame around them and did not like the frame. I had cut the frame out. I cut them out 3 times, cut with this die that I have. You know, if you didn't know this, I'm on a quest to use up all of my dies and not use them up, but use my dies and use them at least once. Especially ones I've never used before. So this has a frame around it, kind of like my background piece, but I cut it out of pattern paper because I cut these pieces of pattern paper out 3 times and I didn't like it. So I just went with putting the 3 inserts down on top of a pink piece of paper, and I really do like that. So I decorated it up with my colored images from the stamp. And this one, I didn't need to put a sentiment on it because this one had the Merry Christmas right in the middle. And I used some of the Fall is Coming enamel dots. If you have those in your stash, they go perfect with the sparkling wishes. But I kind of think they're all sold out. So sorry about using something you can't get your hands on. But I'm sure there will be more coming. And then on the inside, I took what was left over from cutting out those 3 frames and cut them up and used all 3 pieces of pattern paper on the inside with little flag banners. And there's card number 1. And then card number 2, I used the present up there, used the coffee there, used the Coffee and Cuddles sentiment, and I stamped it right on top of the pattern paper. And you see, you know, I'm always leery about stamping a sentiment on top of the pattern paper because, like, what if you mess up? But I thought, okay, I'm not going to mess up. I'm not going to mess up. And it stamped beautifully. So I really like how that turned out. And then I put the Christmas tree down here. Used my enamel dots, and I used the pink ones in the Fall is Coming collection. And then I did my 3 little strips on the inside. I love, love, love how these cards turned out. So there are 2 cards for you for the sneak peek and the Deck the Halls stamp set. This collection, 2 stamp sets, the paper pad and the ephemera are in the box of the month, but these are the products that are also in the junior box of the month. So remember, if you subscribe, you get an 18% discount. And if you don't subscribe, then you can purchase it one time, but you are taking a chance that it might be gone. So the best way to assure that you're going to get this box every single month is to subscribe. And I have it on good authority that the next couple of boxes you're not going to want to miss. So you could at least subscribe for the next few months because you're not going to want to miss them. And we have more Christmas products coming out this month. I am so excited about all of the Christmas products. Christmas is my most favorite time to make cards for. So stay tuned, and thank you so much. And Jamie will be back tomorrow with day 3. Catch you in the next video. Bye.